Let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind Pi Network. You've probably heard about the Pi Network, a digital currency with a twist that's been making waves in the tech world and beyond. Unlike most cryptocurrencies, Pi isn't just for techies or crypto pros. It's designed for everyone, thanks to a team of forward-thinking Stanford graduates. The idea is simple but powerful. Make cryptocurrency accessible to ordinary people, not just those with expensive computers or technical know-how. Pi holders or pioneers could be anyone, your neighbor, your cousin, your teacher, or even your grandparents. All you need is a smartphone and a few seconds each day. Millions around the globe have already downloaded the app, tapping a button daily to earn Pi coins. It's become a daily ritual for many, almost like checking your social media feed. It's like having a money-making machine in your pocket, but without the cost, the hassle, or the need for any special equipment. These early adopters are betting that Pi will one day have real value, and they're excited to be part of something that could change the way we think about money. The daily tap isn't just about earning coins. It's also a way to prove you're a real active person, not a bot or a fake account. Security and trust are built right in. The more people who join, the stronger and more valuable the network becomes. It's a community effort, growing every day. Right now, Pi is in what's called an enclosed mainnet, which means you can't trade it for cash just yet. It's still in a testing phase, building up its ecosystem, but you can already use Pi to buy goods and services from other pioneers, creating a small but growing economy within the app. Think of it as a global marketplace where Pi is the only currency, connecting people from all walks of life and from every corner of the world. The big question remains, what happens when Pi finally opens to the world? Will it become the next big thing in digital money, or just another experiment? Only time will tell, but for now, the world is watching and waiting. Traditional crypto mining needs powerful computers and tons of electricity. That's expensive and bad for the planet. Only a few can join in. Pi Network flipped the script. You mine on your phone, but your phone isn't solving complex puzzles or draining your battery. Instead, Pi uses a trust-based system. You build a security circle of people you know. This helps secure the network and proves you're not a bot. For your participation, you earn Pi coins. No technical skills, no huge bills, just a phone and a daily tap. It's a social, democratic approach to digital currency. Anyone with a smartphone can join in. Mining has never been this simple or accessible. Let's peek under the hood and see what really makes Pi tick. It's not just another app on your phone. There's some fascinating technology at play here. At its core, Pi runs on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, a cutting-edge system designed for speed, security, and efficiency. Think of it like deciding where to eat with friends. You ask those you trust, and they do the same, quickly reaching agreement. This trust-based approach is what keeps things moving smoothly. That's how Pi's network reaches consensus without wasting energy or relying on expensive hardware. For most users, it's as simple as tapping the app once a day. But behind the scenes, a smaller group, node operators, validate transactions using their regular computers at home, keeping the network running. This unique setup keeps Pi decentralized and resilient, so no single person or company controls everything. Your daily tap is more than a habit. It signals you're real and active, helping to prevent fake accounts and bots from gaming the system. The more you participate, invite friends and build your network, the higher your mining rate climbs. It's a system that rewards genuine engagement. Pioneers build trust circles, nodes validate transactions, and SCP keeps everyone in sync, working together like a well-oiled machine. It's a three-layer system: secure, scalable, and eco-friendly, designed to grow with its community while staying green. No supercomputers or massive mining farms needed, just people, trust, and everyday devices. Pi's design is a clever, simple solution to a complex problem, making digital currency accessible to everyone. It's crypto for the masses, not just the elite or tech-savvy. Anyone with a phone can join in and be part of the future. That's what makes Pi stand out, a truly inclusive, innovative approach to cryptocurrency. Why are millions excited about Pi, even if it's just numbers on a screen for now? It's hope, a chance to join a new financial movement from the start. Pi's community is massive, with tens of millions of users before launch. This isn't just hype, it's a ready-made marketplace. The more people use Pi, the more useful it becomes. The vision goes beyond trading coins. Pi aims to power apps, games, and services. Imagine an app store where you pay with Pi, not cash. Real utility, not just speculation, is the goal. People are excited by the what if. What if Pi really works? That's what keeps them tapping every day. Bitcoin is the original crypto, powerful but slow and energy-hungry. It was the first to show the world what digital money could be, but its design comes with trade-offs. Mining Bitcoin requires massive amounts of electricity, and transactions can take several minutes to confirm, making it less practical for everyday purchases. It's like a muscle car, impressive, valuable, and built for performance, but not exactly what you'd want for your daily commute or quick errands. It's great for storing value, not for daily use. Pi is more like an electric car, efficient, quiet, and designed for everyone to use. It's accessible, easy to operate, and doesn't require specialized hardware or huge amounts of energy. Instead of proof of work, Pi uses trust and consensus for speed and accessibility. This means anyone with a smartphone can participate, making it far more inclusive and environmentally friendly. Transactions confirm in seconds, not minutes. That's the kind of speed you need for real-world payments, whether you're buying coffee or splitting a bill with friends. Bitcoin is digital gold, a secure store of value. Pi, on the other hand, aims to be digital cash for daily life, making spending and receiving money as easy as sending a text. Pi's focus is utility, peer-to-peer payments, not just speculation. It's about making digital money useful in everyday situations, not just holding it and hoping the price goes up. It's not a race between Pi and Bitcoin. They serve different purposes, like different vehicles for different journeys. Each has its own strengths and ideal uses. Bitcoin is a fortress for value, a safe haven for wealth. Pi is a city car for everyday transactions, built for convenience and accessibility. Both can coexist, each with a unique role in the digital economy. There's room for both innovation and tradition. Pi's mission is to make digital money usable for all, everywhere. That's a game changer for the future of finance and how we interact with money every day. Let's talk real-world impact. Imagine a freelancer in a country with unstable currency. Getting paid in Pi could be fast, cheap, and global. Already, people are trading goods and services for Pi in local communities. Picture a marketplace app where you pay your plumber or buy homemade cakes with Pi. Content creators could get tipped directly, skipping middlemen and high fees. Even charities could send aid instantly and transparently using Pi. The possibilities: empower local economies, support creators, and revolutionize giving. Pi could connect people and markets worldwide. It's more than a coin. It's a tool for real change. That's why so many are watching closely. Time for a reality check. Pi's path isn't smooth. The biggest challenge: value. Right now, Pi has no official price. If it stays in test mode too long, people might lose interest. Regulation is another hurdle. Governments are watching and rules are complex. Scaling to millions of users is a huge technical challenge. Security is critical. One breach could destroy trust. The team must get everything right before a full launch. And, like any bold experiment, Pi could fail. Pioneers invest time and hope, not money. But risk is real. Optimism is good, but so is caution. The journey ahead is uncertain. But what if Pi succeeds? Early pioneers could see life-changing rewards if Pi gains real value. More importantly, Pi could bring banking to billions without access today. All you'd need is a smartphone to send, receive, and store money. E-commerce could go global. No more currency hassles or high fees. Small businesses could sell worldwide instantly. Pi's success would prove a user-driven, eco-friendly crypto can work. It could inspire more projects focused on inclusion and utility. The impact would go far beyond just making money. It could reshape the digital economy for everyone. So, where does Pi go from here? It's a bold experiment, part tech, part social movement. No one knows if it'll be the next big thing, but it's already changed the crypto conversation. Pi has introduced millions to digital currency, building a global community on hope and participation. That's a huge achievement, even before launch. Pioneers are patient, betting on a fairer, more accessible future. Pi asks, what if money could be for everyone, not just the few? Whether Pi becomes a footnote or a headline, it's sparked a vital debate. It's a glimpse of what finance could be, open, inclusive, and people-powered. Now, we watch and see if Pi can cross the finish line.